Hello friends, welcome back to Sweet Surprise. Today we're going to make this bubble tea smash cake. So I've melted the chocolate and now I'm just putting in the mold, and then I'm going to spread it around like this. I'm going to freeze it. And while that's freezing, we're going to do the side little hearts. These are geo hearts, and I'll link all the molds down below so you can find it. So I'm just doing 6, and I'm just going to pour it in here and then shake it up once it's all poured in like that. And then we're just going to put a little more, shake it up, freeze that. And while those are freezing, then I'm going to roll out my black fondant, and I'm using a bubble tea straw, and I'm just making holes in it like this. And these will be the pearls for the bubble tea, like that. And you can put as many as you want. It really doesn't matter. And then I'm going to roll this out, and then I'm going to make the eyes for the bubble tea here. These are the eyes. And I'm going to do a little smiley face. And then I'm going to roll some eyeballs, white fondant, and I'm going to put it on my eyes. And then I'm going to use my bubble tea straw again and go in with the bigger pupil right there, like that. And then this part is going to be the side drip of the bubble tea, but I'll cut that later. So now I'm going to take it out of my mold, and I'm going to put everything on there, like so. And then I'm going to add eyelashes, like that. And I don't put chocolate underneath my fondant. I just put the fondant on top, and it just sticks because of the humidity of the room. Now I have my candy in the box ready to go. I'm going to put the mold, or put the bubble tea on top like that. And I've already cut out my drip, but I didn't film that. Then I cut a little bubble tea straw, and I just stuck it on the top like that. But I'm going in with crinkle paper first, and I'm going to fill it up, then put my side pieces just to make it look cute like that. And then you're all done. It's super fast, super easy. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.